A girl gets into an argument with her boyfriend and angrily drives her car into nearby trees. She is now inside of her boyfriend's apartment building, causing problems.
Okay, but let him say something because I'm mad over me over some little
All right, we need you to leave now or you're going to get arrested. We can get you a ride, call a cab for you, but here's the deal. You got to get off the property.
No, because I want to talk to him.
Yes, if you don't leave, is going to jail worth it to you? Yes or no? Because if it is, we'll take you to jail.
Yes, I do. I have plenty of stuff.
Can you get her a jacket or something?
Are you going to lie to him again, too? Are you?
Hey.
We're trying to help you, and
No, help me for shit.
You're going to end up
No,
going to jail.
help me for shit. Just go.
You're gonna end
I
up
don't
going to jail.
want y'all's help.
You need to relax because he doesn't.
I don't care.
We're not going in the apartment. You're banned from the property.
I have my stuff
You need
in
to leave,
there.
or you're going to go.
You don't get no shit about me.
You get her jacket so we can get her out of here.
I just wanted to talk. I have my purse in
Back
there,
up.
everything.
Back up. He's gonna get
No,
your stuff.
I don't.
You're going to go to jail here in about 5 seconds.
I know, because after they leave, they finna leave. I don't believe you. You don't care about me. You're not even trying to help me.
Get her jacket.
I just want my purse, my
He's
jacket.
gonna grab your stuff.
I don't
okay?
believe. I just want my stuff.
Now, we need you to call a ride, or we need you to leave, or you're going to go to jail.
I want my
Back up.
please
You're not going in the
because I
apartment.
can't.
Hey, I understand that you're upset, but if you don't cooperate with us and let us walk you out, you're gonna go to jail.
We're not going anywhere till you leave. Is it worth it to you? You can talk to him tomorrow, but we need you to leave now.
But no, it's not like he's gonna do that shit. He don't get no no.
All right.
Talk to me. I'll talk to you.
What's wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
Hey.
Stop. You're going to go to jail. Close the door.
Where? No, you didn't have to close the door on him, sir, because that's not your door. No, I'll wait, because he said he would talk to me, right?
No, he wouldn't.
You've been banned.
Because no, you'll ask him. Ask him. He will say he will talk. No.
You've been banned from the property, and if you don't leave, you will be arrested for criminal trespass.
He said he would talk. I will get arrested for.
The ex-boyfriend opens the door again.
He's banned her from the property, so she's committing the offense of criminal trespass right now. We're trying to keep her from going to jail. I don't want to take her to jail. My patience is kind of wearing kind of thin because we've given her numerous warnings to leave. She was just banned from the property 5 minutes ago by this gentleman who has the authority to do that.
And all you're trying to do is get rid of me.
Why did I open my door? Calm down.
Will you meet up with her tomorrow and talk to her tomorrow?
I don't believe that. I want it tonight. No. You better say that shit and never see me tomorrow. Let me be the victim. Let me be the crazy one.
Are you gonna go?
I don't care. No, because you thought I closed on me and I have everything I have in there. And if you close the door, no.
You want her arrested? Yes. All right. Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
No, stop. Because
You're under
I'll leave. I'll
No,
leave.
it's too late now.
I already gave you the chance.
Stand up.
Please
Stand up. Don't resist arrest.
I'll leave.
Don't resist. No, it's too late for that. It's too late for that. You had more than enough opportunity.
Stop. I'll leave. I'll
Put your hand behind your back.
My wrist hurts. Does hurt.
Put your hand behind your back. Stop resisting.
Stop.
Congratulations.
I'll leave. Please
Congratulations.
let me go
Stop.
down. No.
You're going to catch another charge if you don't put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. You're going to catch another charge. Stand up.
I want to talk to him.
No, stop that.
And I'm willing to go.
No,
Stop. No. What about my car? Stop.
Stop!
I don't want to.
Stop resisting. You're under arrest.
Stop. I don't
You're
want.
under arrest. Stop.
I will leave. But just
Stop. Get up now. You're under arrest.
No.
Okay, now we're going to walk to the car. Stop trying to get out of the handcuffs. Now you're going to go to jail.
No.
You're under arrest for criminal trespass and
No,
resisting.
sir, I wasn't resisting. I was just
Yeah,
trying to
you were
talk to
resisting.
him.
No.
Please, man,
Relax.
please. I'm only 19 and I've never been.
Listen.
No,
Listen.
please help me. Just call
No,
my dad.
listen.
Just call my
I
dad.
gave you enough tries. You did not listen. It's too late for that.
Just call my dad. I have 2 jobs. I work with kids, and yes, I'm upset.
I understand, but
Just please.
we're way past that now,
Stop.
okay? We gave you enough tries.
Stop,
No.
because I'm hurt.
You're under arrest and you're
I
pulling
can't
away.
feel you, and look, I have a
You're pulling
scar,
away.
and
Why
I
don't you
can't.
sit down? Bananas, okay?
I just want to.
Sit down. We're going to loosen our grip, but we need you to
Please
calm down.
stop. Just call my dad. Because I'm so upset. I'm only 19. I've never been pulled over by cops. I've never had this happen. I just want to talk to him. I don't know what else to do.
Well, you're
Please.
combative, and you just calm down. Take a deep breath. How about you take a deep breath?
Can you stop recording? Because I see your phone's pointed at me. Officer, can you please sit? I see
Sit
his
down.
shit. pointing at me, and he's obviously recording. I can see your bitch ass recording.
Relax.
Bitch ass babe boy.
Just ignore him.
No, look at him. Look at him, officer.
He's not recording. Now,
I just want my daddy's right there.
Well, it's too late now. You had every opportunity to leave, but you chose not to be cooperative and respect.
Because I just wanted to talk to him, and I...
Well, you can talk to him when you get out of jail tonight.
Please,
Why don't
there's
you
no
just sit
reason.
Why don't you just sit down?
There's
Why?
no reason.
Why are you acting like
They're
this?
right there for me to be here.
You're going to be in and out of jail in an hour.
I don't believe you! Stop! Because there's no reason for me to. Stop!
Stop.
Relax.
You're making this
Stop! I just want to talk to him.
Sit down.
I don't care!
Just relax.
No, because you're not relaxing me. I want to talk. You didn't hear me!
Why are you yelling at me?
You heard me, bitch. I said I want to talk to
I'm
him.
trying to control you. You're really a wild one.
I said I want to talk to him. Can I just talk to him before I go? I don't care if y'all take me to the police station anymore. I just want to...
No, you're going to go. Stand up. Stand up.
1, 2,
No,
3.
please just call him moment.
Come on. Come on.
Come on. No.
Hey, Greg, you want to give us a hand, bud?
Please, just want to...
Stand up. Stand up.
Stop.
Stop.
Stand up.
Stop. Enough.
Okay, you're...
I want to talk to him.
Can you grab onto her? I'm going to move a car up so we can get her transported to the station.
After moving up his squad car, the officer talks to Elena's parents, who are now both on scene.
So she got into an argument with him, and then she drove her car into the trees over there. We got her car here, instructed us to ban her from the property. We gave her numerous orders and requests to leave. She refused to comply, and if she injures one of the officers or something, it's going to become a felony. Okay?
You want to make out their information for you?
Yeah. Could you also get security's info too?
Yeah.
Show them, please.
Just talk to me tomorrow, please. That's about it.
Come on.
Please.
Stop. Let's go. Put your leg in.
No.
If you kick me,
Stop, I don't want
If
to.
you
I'm just trying to stop you from pulling my leg.
Okay.
And you know that for a fact, so you know I can't say I kicked you.
if you undo your leg, I won't have to pull it.
I don't care. I just want to talk to him so he can say he'll talk to me tomorrow, and he hasn't said that.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, obviously, because
you
you
put
don't
your
give
leg
a
to the bar?
shit. You're just trying to undo my
Can you put your leg through the bar?
No.
There we go. We're doing okay.
There you go.
We're doing good. Watch his foot's coming out hot. I got it. All right.
He said all this. He's a fucking... There's no
Have a seat.
reason for this.
Have a seat. Have a seat. It's okay. Just have a seat.
Because I just want to talk.
Just have a seat. We're fine. Have a seat. You're fine. Hey guys, we're just gonna have
I
a
don't
rescue
care.
and they get to restrain her
I
and
just want to talk to him,
deal with the
please.
medical side of that.
Take them off. Look.
You
No.
can just keep her there. They're right here.
Now, this is why professionalism and empathy are necessities as police. Of course, I responded to many domestic calls over my career, but I remember this one woman who called the police to remove her boyfriend from her house with the appropriate paperwork. Sounds like a simple call, right? But here's the thing. It's between 2 and 3 a.m., and when we woke this guy up, he literally started crying. It seemed as if he didn't even know there was a problem in the relationship. Now, police officer or not, you'd have to have ice water instead of blood in your veins to not at least feel for the people involved in these types of situations. So today we have a case out of Elgin, Illinois. You have a young woman, an ex-boyfriend, and she doesn't want to leave. Now, cops respond to these types of calls numerous times throughout one shift, and it can be easy or it can go like this one. When the handcuffs come out, one of two things usually happen. Either they resist or they want to comply with the officer's commands. She thought that she was gone, but she then attempts a foot escape in cuffs, mind you. But of course, she was quickly apprehended in front of them because there was obviously more going on with this young woman, and I sincerely hope that she gets the help that she needs. If somebody doesn't want to be with you, you're